The best thing about this 2017 Kia Picanto is it's got Apple CarPlay. So with your charging lead plugged into the USB down there, click on like so, and Apple CarPlay's come up straight away. Now, if I just go in here, normally I wouldn't need to, but I've set this up differently so I could show you. The first time you set it up, if you go, well, as you're setting up, you'll see CarPlay, Kia Motors there, allow CarPlay while locked. If you can't do anything when your phone's locked, that's what you need to tick. So allow CarPlay while locked. So now, if I unplug that and then I plug it back in, there you go, Apple CarPlay. I can switch it to Apple CarPlay by just doing that. So you've got the radio function, you've got everything. It's fantastic. It's such an easy system to use, and you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. Here we go. The voice activation button, 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Now you'll see there's a button. If you press that, it'll say go, but if you leave it, it will automatically set off. So you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel.
Turn right onto Gregson Lane.
You're on the way to Manchester Airport. You fancy a coffee. Again, you don't have to look for a Starbucks or anything like that. Again, 2 seconds of voice activation. Take me to Starbucks.
One option is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 7 minutes to your route. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
That's it. It's so simple. You just don't... Your Apple CarPlay is far better than the system in the car to start off with. So we'll just cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Now this is a little pocket rocket. As I say, you've got heated steering wheel, heated seats. And you're away. Very economical, nice city car, nice light steering too. Go back to this. Well, I'm going to put it on so you can see the text. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm just in this brilliant Kia Picanto.
It says, I've just seen this brilliant Kia Picanto. Send it.
Well, it's not foolproof, but send.
Done.
Now you'll see there, one's come up. I've just got a text message. You can't read it while you're driving, unless, of course, you press this for 2 seconds. Read text.
Barry said, I've just seen this brilliant Kia Picanto. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So apart from just sending a text to your girlfriend saying that you've just seen Miss Kia Picanto and getting you in trouble, you know, what could possibly go wrong with this Apple CarPlay system? It's fantastic. If you want to call somebody, call Barry.
Calling Barry. iPhone.
There you go.
Hi, this is Barry. Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment. If you leave.
So it's called me. You know, I mean, it's just fantastic. You've got all your audio books. You've got, as I say, your map. You can see where you're going. If I click that, you see where you're going. You can put it in 3D and so on. You can, if you're meeting somebody, you can send your PIN and they know how far you are away and when you're going to be there. Absolutely great system.